So my people, I had an issue with my Toro 30-inch lawnmower where the belt guide was broken, and I was looking on the internet um, to find a video that would show how to replace the belt guide, and couldn't find one for the Toro Time Master 30-inch, so I just make this video to show anyone that is trying to find how to do the tension guide. So there are two holes at the bottom of the lawnmower. When you lift it up right, you will see when I lift it up, and you just use a 13-inch millimeter socket and an extension, and remove the bolt. The bolts that hold a tension guide in, however, holds the engine. So I had to put something behind the engine to pry it a little bit to get the bolts back in. But I think if I had to do it again, I would remove one bolt at a time so the engine would stay in place. So I hope this video will help someone that is researching that has the same problem. Thanks for watching. So guys, I'm working on my Toro 30-inch lawnmower, putting on a belt guide. It's a Time Master, so wondering if you guys can see this, because I was looking online to see if they have any videos on how to do the belt guide, and this is what the belt guide look like, and mine's broke. So when it breaks, what it does, you keep breaking the belts. So that's what was going on with mine. It's threading the belt, because without the guide, then it's rubbing against the metal of the lawnmower. So I'm working on the back of my truck right now. I just pick the lawnmower up, put it on the back of my truck. And I think this bolt also goes in the engine on the lawnmower. That helps to stabilize the engine. So I'm just changing this guy right now, as you can see. And this is not really a commercial lawnmower, but I'm using it to do commercial work, which, you know, sometimes you gotta use what you have until you can afford. Because I buy a belt guide for the X mark off Amazon. Did not receive that guide. It said it was in my mailbox, and I still haven't seen it, as UPS market deliver to my mailbox, which was a lie, and I had some issues getting my money back from Amazon, because they said it was delivered when it wasn't. And guys, I think they leave this hole for you to go through right there for the bolt on this side, based on the position it's in. So if anybody out there trying to figure out how to change a belt guide, this is how you change it, and this is the only thing leaving from the belt guide. So the other piece was completely gone. So I'm not sure how this goes on this thing, but let's see if I can figure it out. Alright, so based on the shape of the impression it left on the lawnmower. So I guess it was sitting like something like this. No, that seems wrong. So let's see if this right was sitting. No, that won't work. So I guess first attempt was the right one. Oh shit. This one doesn't match any at all. And then what's going on? This guy doesn't fit. Oh, so one of the bolts is all the way up front, so it goes around, comes right here. So I gotta put this bolt back in because I took one bolt that is wrong. That was a huge mistake, my people. So one of the bolts is all the way up in there, so you can just barely see it. Don't know if you guys can see it, but I will definitely show you guys what's going on. Let me see if I can get this one back inside here. The engine might be shifting a little bit, so let me thread this one back in. Prevent this thing from the engine from moving around. And the guy at the lawnmower place was very informative because he told me if I lose these bolts then the engine would be moving around because the bolt holds the engine in place. So now I see what happened. Alright. So the other bolt is up in here, guys. So you gotta go through this hole right here to get to the top bolt. So extension long enough to go all the way. We have long extension that we can see right now. light is out, but where is it? Okay, it's right here. Alright, so now I know it goes around like that and goes right here. So let me catch this one first. Come on, bolt. Catch. Oh, the engine shift. So, yeah. That's why he was saying the engine would be moving. Okay. So now I know what's going on. Alright. It's a kind of tricky situation, my people, so I will have to find a way to push the engine back up in order to catch a boat. So this is more like a two-man job situation, but knowing me, definitely find a way to get this back up in place. Because I don't give up without a fight. Alright. So if I can keep this wedge in here, it should be enough to see that bolt hole. Perfect. So what I did, guys, I used my jack hanger, wedge into the hole so I can touch this bolt. Just when I get it started by hand. You.
Yeah. Make sure that's no pride. Let them know I want to read something and stuff like that on my potatoes. Yeah.
Hey, Charles.
Alright. Let's do that. One more chicken and potatoes. I guess just one waffles and chicken. I want the chicken strip.
Charles. So, let's see if I can get mine up in here to catch this other boat. Yes, I'm going to try fishing this bolt in with a socket on there. I don't know if I'm on the money. I'm going to see if it's in the right spot. Yes, I got it. Okay. My skills ain't too poor. So let's see. Can start thread it by hand. Cross thread it my paper. Let's see if it's going in easy or tight. Now this is a white metal engine, so you know, cross thread these bolts, guys, you're gonna be in big trouble. I suggest any little resistance you see when you're turning it like this, you gotta put pressure on it. Just stop. It's supposed to turn in by hand or almost easy. See how I'm turning it with no pressure? That's how you're supposed to be turning these bolts in until they reach where you gotta tighten them up. Because if you have to, you're putting strain on them. That means it's in a crossfit position. Like this one, start getting tight already. So you wanna try again to line this one up perfect. So as I say, it's supposed to be easy. Let's try. Okay, so this ain't too bad. A bit tight, but not over tight. Still, I like how it's going. See if I pull on this one, it will make the pressure come out that one. So put on that liquor, then go back to this one, see what happens. Okay, this is way better. So it's supposed to tread in, guys. Let's see. I don't have a torque specification for these, so I'm doing them by what little mechanical experience I have in tightening bolts into white metal that you don't want to over tighten. You just want them tight enough. And the worst part about this, I did not bring the belt with me.